Namaste. If you're new to manifestation or have been using the law of attraction to pursue your goals, there could have been one question coming to your mind. Is it possible to manifest really quickly? Is it really possible to manifest anything that I want? And do goals that I really feel desperate for manifest quickly in my life? Do I have to be obsessed about my goals? Well, I'm going to answer all these questions for you in this video. Firstly, make sure whatever you want to manifest is written on paper, because the subconscious mind follows repetition. If you keep giving it the same thoughts every day, it thinks you're serious about it. So it will start to engage more with these thoughts and ideas. That is why so many research studies today show people who write their goals down, who connect with their goals daily, definitely manifest fast. They're more on top of their goals and life. And so, make sure you list down what is important to you. My suggestion is, if there's something that your life depends on at the moment, just take that one goal. Write a clear statement describing how grateful you are that this has already manifested in your life. For example, I'm so happy and grateful now that I have attracted my dream job. Now, if you want to really connect with it at an emotional level, you can use words like, I have attracted my dream job that has brought a lot of fulfillment, abundance, and joy in my life. Make sure your statement increases and boosts your own energy and vibration. The statement should be such that you feel like going after that goal, because you already start to think about how beautiful life will be if this actually happens. Your subconscious mind will lift your vibration, because every time you think of your goal, you affirm it and you start feeling better in that moment. The subconscious mind has already started forming positive pictures around that goal. So, now that you have identified one top priority, every day when you wake up in the morning, make sure you write this statement down for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Every day without fail. Why? Because this allows the manifestation process to go deeper into your mind, body, energy, and subconscious mind. Once the goals are written down, sit with yourself. Few minutes. Try to identify if you have some negative beliefs about this goal. This is important, because if you want to ensure that you are manifesting your goal and on the right track towards this manifestation, you must know what mental blockages you are carrying that could be coming in the way of this goal happening in your life. नमस्ते। आप लोगों के बहुत रिक्वेस्ट आए थे कि मेरे जो बुक्स हैं, हीलिंग पावर ऑफ वर्ड्स और हीलिंग पावर ऑफ ग्रेटिट्यूड, वो हिंदी में भी अवेलेबल हों। आपकी इच्छा सर आंखों पर अब ये दोनों किताबें आपके लिए हिंदी में अवेलेबल हैं। हमारी वेबसाइट drkarishmaahuja.com पे आपको ये दोनों बुक्स मिलेंगी। मुझे विश्वास है ये बुक्स पढ़ के आप अपने जीवन के हर क्षेत्र में पॉजिटिव चेंजेस देखेंगे। बहुत सिंपल टूल्स हैं लेकिन बहुत पावरफुल हैं, जो आपको हर दिन गाइड करेंगे अच्छी एनर्जी रखने की, पॉजिटिव सोचने की और अपना बेस्ट देने की हर सिचुएशन में। Sit with a pen and paper and list down negative thoughts that you often get. For example, I don't have the support that I need. No one loves me. Life has never been kind to me. I'm not smart enough or intelligent enough. I don't think the universe cares for me. There could be so many such thoughts. Write them down. Once you have written them down, reverse them into positive statements. For example, life supports me in every possible way. I am smart, intelligent, capable of achieving big things. I attract positive people who support me in every way. I'm worthy of achieving my dreams. These kind of statements, now that you have listed down, if you repeat daily to yourself, they will ensure that the subconscious mind challenges the old beliefs and feelings. Every time there is a feeling, I'm not good enough, because you're feeding positive thoughts like, I am worthy, I can achieve big things, these very thoughts will challenge the old thoughts. Now, if these thoughts are fed for enough number of times every day, for example, morning when you wake up, any time in the day when you're feeling negative, at night before you sleep, They will ensure that your energy doesn't drop too much. Even if you are feeling fear or you're feeling unworthy, because you have been feeding yourself these positive thoughts, they will keep the engine of the subconscious mind on. They will ensure that you don't lose hope, that you continue to stay positive and optimistic about your goal. After writing your goal down and also affirming positive statements, make sure that you spend some time in silence seeking guidance from God or the universe about how best to achieve this goal. You see, one common doubt we often get when it comes to our goals is, how will I get there? Who's going to help me? I don't know what I'm supposed to do next. If you have such thoughts, remember it is absolutely normal. But all you need to do is seek guidance. And the best way to seek guidance every day is sit in silence. So, after you have listed down your goals, you have been affirming positive statements and beliefs to yourself, spend some time in silence. Close your eyes, sit straight, just focus on your breathing. Breathe in, breathe out slowly. As your breath gets slower, your mind will get calmer. That is the time when you're experiencing relaxation in your mind and body that you should ask the question, Dear God, Universe, please let me know how to get to this goal. Please show me the way. Let me know what I'm supposed to do next. Ask, stay silent for some time. See if you're receiving an answer, an idea, a sign. After that, take a deep breath. Few minutes of silence, take a deep breath. Open your eyes with a smile. Your smile is an assurance. Your smile is a demonstration of your faith. And your subconscious mind will see and observe this. And it will always keep you alert towards receiving a sign, idea, or an answer. Continue doing this every day because you always need clarity on what to do next. This is a very powerful way to manifest and work towards your goals daily. One important practice, you either do it in the morning power hour for yourself, which is, let's say you wake up at 6 a.m. in the morning, you write your goals, you say your positive statements, you reinforce positive beliefs, you sit in silence. After that, before you start with the rest of the activities in the day, you can write down the best thing that happened to you yesterday. Or you can maybe list down some memorable moments from your life. This is very powerful, you see, because when I recall some good moments from my life, I send a message to the subconscious mind, I'm always expecting something good. I deserve something good. Because the more I activate positive memories from my past, the more the subconscious mind starts to focus on good things in my life. This is a powerful tool to raise my vibration and to maintain a good vibration. So either you complete all these practices in the morning or break them down into different times of the day. But make sure you do this every day if you want to manifest and get to your goal faster. Finally, I would like to say one thing, that one important practice which really makes manifestation a powerful tool for self-transformation is surrender the results. You see, it is possible to manifest anything, anytime. But there's one thing that gets in the way. That is my attachment to the result, my worry about the result, my doubt whether or not it is going to happen. Simply do your best. Take the effort necessary to get to your goal. That means work on your mind. Feed yourself positive thoughts. Connect with your goal. Rest of the times, take in the efforts in terms of the physical actions you need to take. Also remember to stay present towards other aspects of your life. For example, I may want to manifest a dream job, but I cannot ignore my current relationships. I may want to improve my health, but you see, I can't ignore a responsibility in terms of a work project that I have. I need to do my best. I need to simply put in the work and leave the result to God. Just as Lord Krishna guides us in the Gita, Karmanyevadikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana. You do your best, you have a right to action. Leave the result to God. So, if you keep this mindset that excellence in action is true power and union with my own divinity, then you will not stay worried and fearful. When you sleep at night, simply remind yourself, today I tried my best. I did my sadhana, I did my manifestation practices, I tried to stay present and mindful. I don't know if what I did was good enough. I leave that on God to decide. I gave my best. Now, God, you take care of the rest. Start doing this. Then you see results will come in your life. They will come at the right time. However, if you're obsessed about when they must come, how soon they must come, or you doubt whether they will come or not, you will come in your own way. You will block your own manifestation because worry, fear, anxiety, doubt, tension, these are going to block manifestation. I hope this video inspires you to go after your goals with a lot of power, but to go after them with the faith that with divine grace, with universal grace, the right doors will open for you at the right time. Here's wishing you all the very best in your manifestation journey. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, then do share it with others, subscribe to this channel, and stay connected with all the tools and techniques I'm sharing.